Gotta shut the light off. Tony! Alright. Here we go. Love this toy. I love this toy. It easily glides along the floor. So here we go. Here we go. Ready, Tony? Make sure I got you lined up in the camera. No, Tony, you're supposed to go catch the... Oh. Get the truck. That was good. You almost hit the camera. Here we go again. You ready? 1, 2, 3. As you can see, but why do you need to do that, Tony? I do not know. Anyway, come on, Tony. Throw it at me. You missed. All right. Okay, get over there. Catch it. Catch it, Tony. Catch it. Go over there. Okay. All right. Hey, don't touch the camera. Here we go. See, there goes the vehicle. Now run after it. Run after it, Tony. Come on. Okay. Anyway, come on. Run after it. Get the truckie back. Get the truckie. Get the truck. I tell you, this boy sometimes makes me wonder. Oop. Ooh, look at that. Oh, hit the back wall. Okay, one more time. I think the audience is getting bored by this. Here we go. Ooh. Very good. Say bye-bye, Tony.
Bye-bye.